Imagine immersing yourself in the serenity of your sacred space. Picture a new year brimming with purpose, intention, and boundless possibilities. Welcome to our highly anticipated virtual retreat, a profoundly transformative experience that will lay the foundation for living life intentionally and on purpose.
Your first name?
My name is Fanny.
Tell me what you got out of it, or what you thought about it, or what are you going to take away?
It's always wonderful to be around people that share your same point of view of life and to give you positive reinforcement you're going the right way. So it's always nice to be amongst those same people.
Mm-hmm. Is there any one thing you're going to take away, or what you brought with you today that you were able to share with other people that seem to help everybody?
Yeah, it's really nice to see how people are very open and sharing, which has always been something hard for me to do, and I felt very comfortable sharing here today.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Yep.
At our carefully designed virtual retreat, we have created an experience that is truly one of a kind. We've paid careful attention to every detail to ensure you have a unique and unmatched experience that nurtures your mind, body, and soul. Join us as we create a sanctuary for self-reflection, personal growth, and meaningful connection. Say yes to be part of something extraordinary.
On this retreat, we will lead you through profound spiritual practices such as meditation, prayer, and interactive sessions. Gain fresh perspectives, unlock your unlimited potential, and equip yourself with spiritual tools that will support you in living a thriving year.
What's your name?
Viola Cruz, a conscious living retreat.
Cool. Tell me what you got out of it, or what you're going to take away, or what you just felt about the whole day.
It was extremely empowering. I felt a sense of connection with everyone, and it was just wonderful to hear everyone's perspectives and opinions and how everybody has grown in their own journey.
And what are you going to take away, I guess? Is there one thing that's like an aha moment you may take away with you?
That everything happens in its time. That was my aha moment.
That's your aha. Great. Beautiful. Thank you so much.
We invite you to immerse yourself in the serenity of your sacred space from the comfort of your own home. Our virtual retreat allows you to create your sanctuary while connecting with a community of like-minded individuals who are also seeking growth and fulfillment.
Are you ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery, spiritual unfoldment, and intentional living? If so, join us for our virtual retreat and make this year your best one yet. Say yes, sign up now, and invest in yourself.
Click in the link below now to secure your spot. Don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity. Start the new year with purpose, excitement, and the support you've been looking for.